Today we will talk about two important types of work, deep work and shallow work. Understanding these can help you become more productive and focused. First, what is deep work? Deep work means doing tasks that require your full attention and concentration. These tasks are usually difficult, need creative thinking or problem solving. When you do deep work, you focus without distraction for a long period. Examples include writing, coding, designing, or learning something new. Deep work is valuable because it helps you create high-quality results and learn faster. It also helps you build important skills that are hard to replace. Now, what is shallow work? Shallow work includes tasks that do not need much focus or thinking. These are often routine or administrative tasks like checking emails, attending meetings, or organizing files. Shallow work is necessary but does not produce much new value. Shallow work is easy to do but can take up a lot of your time if you are not careful. So what makes the difference between deep work and shallow work? The key difference is the level of focus and the type of mental effort required. Deep work demands deep concentration and is often more rewarding. Shallow work can be done with low attention and often interrupts your day. To be more productive, you should try to spend more time on deep work. This means setting aside distraction-free time blocks where you focus only on important tasks. Limit shallow work by scheduling specific times to handle emails or small tasks. Avoid multitasking because it breaks your focus and reduces the quality of deep work. In summary, deep work is focused, meaningful, and helps you grow. Shallow work is easy, less meaningful, and can distract you from important goals. By understanding these two types of work, you can manage your time better and achieve more. Try to prioritize deep work in your daily routine and watch your productivity improve.